My numbers have 2 commas, so I need 2 lines. 1, 2. I'm going to write them in the order they gave them to me. 3, 1, 5, comma, 6, 2, 5, comma, 9, 2, 3. 3, 1, 5, comma, 6, 2, 6, comma, 0, 0, 0. And now I'm going to cover up everything except for the biggest parts. 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5. If my numbers are the same, I can't find a difference. And 3, 1, 5 and 3, 1, 5 are the same. So I'm going to move over. 6, 2, 5 and 6, 2, 6. I can see a difference there. What number is bigger? 6, 2, 5 or 6, 2, 6? Which number is my bigger number? Bella, what number is the bigger number? 6, 2, 6. Here's my big number. Now here's the tricky part. I don't have greater than, less than. I have my symbols. And I need to make sure my symbol points the correct way. Who can tell me, should I pick F or should I pick G? Which symbol would be correct here? Alexa, what symbol would be correct? Answer choice G. Remember, I can think about it like an alligator or like Pac-Man. Again, Pac-Man's normally the one I use. But they're always trying to eat the bigger number. Okay, now I want you to try problem 3. I'll give you a little bit of time to do problem 3 and then we'll check it. They give us 4 numbers and they tell us to order the numbers from greatest to least. Since they said greatest, that means they want big numbers. I'm making my list. I need to remember that. I'm looking for the big numbers first. All of my numbers have 2 commas, means I need 2 lines. Seven, 7, 6, comma, 1, 8, 4, comma, 5, 9, 0. 6, 7, 6, comma, 1, 8, 3, comma, 5, 5, 8. 7, 7, 6, comma, 4, 6, 4, comma, 5, 5, 1. 7, 7, 6, comma, 4, 8, 1, comma, 8, 5. We always start by looking at the biggest parts, so that's where I'm going to start. 7, 7, 6, 6, 7, 6, 7, 7, 6, 7, 7, 6. I see a difference in that first part. Can I tell which numbers are bigger? I'm able to see a difference here, so can I tell which numbers are the bigger numbers, or which one's the smaller one? Violet? Okay, so what's the difference? Okay, so is that bigger or smaller? Smaller. So if it's smaller, Violet, and I'm looking for big numbers, what place should it get? If I'm looking for big numbers and if this is smaller, it should be first place? Christopher, mute your mic. Fourth place. Very good. Turn off your microphone, Christopher. Now all these other numbers, 776, 776, 776. I can't tell the difference. If I move over though, that's good. Now let's look at my numbers. 184, 464, 481. I see differences. Which of my numbers is the biggest? 184, 464, 481. What number is the biggest out of these three? Ezekiel? Which number is the biggest? 184, 464, or 481? Okay, this is the biggest. So Ezekiel, if I'm trying to find big numbers, what place should this number get? What place in my contest? If this was a big number contest, what place do you think it would end up in? That's the place value, but we already have a fourth place, right? So we have a last place. If you're telling me this is the biggest number, what place should it get? It could either be first, second, or third. This would be first place. All right, I've got two places left, and I have to figure out which number goes where. I've got 184, 464. If I'm looking for big numbers, who can tell me which number belongs in second place? Okay? What number belongs in second place? What would it be, Nikai? So this would be second place. It's bigger than this one?
Yeah.
Remember, we're looking for big numbers. So which number is bigger?
The bottom.
The bottom number. So what place in our contest did the bottom number get?
Second.
Second place.
Wait, no. Yeah, second.
No, you're right, because I already have a first place, so it can't be first place anymore. But it can be second place. Which means there's only one place left. So my top number has to get third place. So my order on my paper should be third place, then fourth place, then it's second place, and first place. Okay. Now I want you to try number 5. Try number 5, find the answer you think, and try number 5, find the answer you think, and then we'll check it together. Okay, let's check problem 5 now. Problem 5, my numbers have 2 commas, which means I need 2 lines. 1, 2. I'm going to copy my numbers the same way they wrote them down for me. 2, 3, 7, comma, 9, 7, 9, comma, 1, 4, 8. And I'm going to write my next number. 2, 3, 7, comma, 9, 8, 3, comma, 5, 2, 6. We're going to go ahead and compare these numbers. I'm going to start with the biggest place values. I'm going to cover up everything else. 237, 237. I can't see any difference. 237 is the same as 237. If I move over, then I can see a difference. 979, 983. Who can tell me which number is the bigger number? Kaylee? $983 is bigger than 979. Fantastic. There's my big number. Who can tell me what answer choice do I need to pick that goes in the blank space? Jada? Should I pick A or should I pick B? Which one, Jada? B. Awesome. Because our small number comes first. So this is less than our big number. All right. This last problem I want to do together. This one looks a little bit different than the other problems we've done before. So all you're going to do is flip your page over. There's only one problem on this page. Problem number 8. Problem number 8 says, a teacher asked 4 of her students to create a 9-digit number. The numbers they each created are listed. So here's Jacob's number. Here's Brayleen's number. Here's Drake's number. And here's Sonia's number. If the teacher lists these numbers, okay, so we're making a list, we're having a contest from greatest to least. Greatest, remember, means what? What kind of numbers am I going to look for if they want a list of the greatest number? Do they want big numbers or do they want small numbers? Jadine? They want big numbers. Which number would come second on the list? So this problem's a little bit different. They don't want my whole list. They're not interested in my whole list. They're interested in which number is second on the list. So I need to make my list, but I need to focus and pay special attention to whatever number is second. If I look at my numbers, I see they all have 2 commas, so I need 2 lines. Move that down a little. I'm going to copy my numbers the same way they gave them to me. So that means I'm going to start with Jacob. 4, 2, 3, comma, 9, 1, 7, comma, 1, 4, 2. Then Brayleen. 4, 1, 9, comma, 8, 2, 3, comma, 2, 0, 8. Then Drake. 4, 8, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. And last, Sonia. 4, 5, 6, comma, 3, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. Make sure we're working on this together, Bella. I've got my numbers in my list. I'm going to cover up everything I don't need right now. Means everything except for the biggest place values. And again, I'm looking for big numbers. That's what I need. 423, 419, 480, 456. I see differences here. Which number is my biggest number? Which number is the biggest one here? Is it 423, 419, 480, or 456? Christopher, which number is the biggest?
$480.
480. If that's the biggest number, what place in my list should it get? First place, second place, third place, or fourth place?
First.
This is my first place number. All right. I still see differences. 423, 419, 456. I'm still looking for big numbers. Which one of the numbers that are left is the biggest? Alexa? $456. So that one will get what place, Alexa? Second place. So I've got a first place, I've got a second place. I can still see differences. 423, 419. What number is bigger, 423 or 419? Okay? $423. So Nakai, what place should it get? I've got a first place, I've got a second place. This one gets third place. There's only one number left and there's only one place left. So this last one has to be fourth place. It's in that same packet, Violet. The ones that we were just doing, we did problem 2, 3, and 5. Problem number 8 is on the back side of that page. All you do is flip that page over. So let's see. Jacob got third place. Raylene got fourth place. Drake got first place. And Sonia got second place. They want us to tell them who got second. So what answer choice should I pick? Should I pick F, G, H, or J? Nakai? J. Sonia. It's the only one that says Sonia. Every other answer choice says somebody else. So J is my answer.